वन्दे गुरुवदन्दं भक्तवृन्दसमन्वितं श्रीचैतन्य प्रभु वन्दे नित्यानन्दसहोदितं नन्दनन्दनं वन्दे राधिका चरणद्वयं गोपीनां समयुक्तानां वैवास्मि तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना इति विद्याय तेनाधि रमणयां चरणां श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य
प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्ण
कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, Maharaj is offering his humble obeisances at the lotus feet of his Guru Pad Padma, Little Krishna Parasutra Sutta Srimad Bhaktivedanta Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. Okay, fine. So Maharaj is offering his humble obeisances to the Guru Vargas, to the sannyasis assembled here. All the Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis, people who have devotees assembled with the greed of listening Harikatha, Maharaj is offering his obeisances to everybody. So today in the evening Harikatha, we are discussing about Sakya and Parakya Mudra. Especially in Dhandirvad, Radharani's marriage pastime we have heard. So we are trying to reconcile from different angles. The Vaishnavas have spoken, they are speaking at their opinion, the opinions of our Sampradaya. So all of them want to say the same thing, that the Paramur Mudra is topmost. The significance of Paramur Mudra is topmost, like Padmanabh Maharaj was saying about the opinion of Jiva Goswami Pad. The Jiva Goswami Pad has written that few things I have written as per my wish and few things I have mentioned as per the wish of others. So our opinion, our own mood is considered is superior to what we speak just to pacify others. But sometimes when it comes to debate, at the time we also establish what is the real concept. So in Jaipur, in Galata Gatti, the place where Govinda with Govinda Dev, Radharani's worship was stopped, and then Baladev Vishnu Prabhu had to go indulge in debate indulge in debate and establish that how Radha and Radha Krishna's marriage first time happened. So Baladev Pitavachan Prabhu had proofs there because of the debate. So Baladev Pitavachan Prabhu was Siksha disciple, and he went there and established it. So he established again the deity of Radharani. So some people were raising this question. So how can Radharani be worshipped with Govinda Dev? Because Archan Marg, when we worship the Sri Vigraha, actually it is Vedic. It is Vedic. It's not the Bhava Marg, it's Vedic. So when it is about Anurag, it is about your love, Madhurya. So then marriage, etc. is not so much consideration. But however, if we are in the society, we have to abide by the rules and regulations of the society. So Srila Jiva Goswami Pad had established that when there is a debate, to specify to shut the mouth of the scholars who are the Tarkic people who are simply debaters. So to shut their mouth, he has given this proof from Brahma Vaivarta Puran. When we did the Mandir Parikrama today, in the temple Parikrama, we have seen how Lord Brahma was doing Havan, and we have seen some of the murtis there, statues were made there, performing Radha Krishna's marriage. So this is shown especially to shut the mouth of the debaters. So people, as per their qualification, they understand. This is verse of Bhagavatam. When Maharaj just said that as per the qualification, people will be able to accept things. So who accept Radha Krishna as Sakya, they will accept the marriage. So who accept Radha Krishna in the Parakya mode, so they will accept in the Parakya Bhav, Parakya mode. So everybody doesn't have the same qualification. So as per their qualification, they will comprehend. So what is Swakya and Parakya? What is the definition of Swakya and Parakya? In Swakya, what happens? For the marriage, what happens? First, the parents need to agree. The parents of groom and bride, they need to agree. And then the gurus, their guru, Brahman, then the society, they all need to accept. So there are many mantras where we give Shakshi, witness, as Brahman, Guru, Agni, different directions. So we are accepting all of them as witness, and then the groom and the bride, they get married. So this is how the marriage pastime happens. Then keeping the hand of the bride in the groom's hand, and they take vows. They take vows that I am responsible. The groom takes the vow, I am responsible for maintaining you. So like this marriage happens. Maharaj is again repeating the same thing, like in Bharatiya, in Indian culture, that groom takes the vow that I will maintain you for your life. And different shlokas like this, that whatever you and me, we are not different, we are equal. And the last mantra is why we are getting married: to serve the Lord. And we are not getting married just to beget children. It is also written in the mantra. Maraji Singh, I have read the mantras. In the mantra it is written that the groom says that when it is time, I'll also give you son. That is again to serve the Lord. So this is called marital life. So where the husband and wife both are becoming like one and doing the service of the Lord. In Parakya Tattva, Paramar Mode, what is important is the anurag, is their love. There is no question of marriage or not marriage. So Mahaprabhu, in his own, Mahaprabhu he himself is saying, what he is saying, this particular verse. Parabhyasi Nari. So if a woman is attracted, if a woman is attracted to another man other than her husband, what she will do? She will do everything in the home very nicely, so that nobody will have any doubt that she is attracted to another man. But what she does externally, she is engaged in all the affairs in the family, but in her mind, she is continuously thinking about that other man. In Vrittasur prayer, Ajato Pakshi, this is a very famous prayer of Vrittasur. So in this prayer, what he is saying? In that also, Vrittasur is saying in this shloka as well, especially is saying about Parakya Bhav, Gopi Bhav.
Ajato Paksha Iva Mataran Khaga Tannamjata Paksata Priyam Priyam Pusitam Visvatna Priyam Priyam Pusitam Visvatna. Yesterday Priya subject Daksha Patule because so
when we say the word Priya and Priya, the lovers, the male and female lover, so it is also addressed for husband and wife, like in Ramayana also Priya and Priya is used for Ram and Sita. But here Shri Goswami Pad is saying that here Priya and Priya in this Vrittasur prayer, Ajato Paksho, in this particular verse, Priya and Priya are addressed for the lovers. So, and what he is saying here, that if a woman is attracted to another man, she will be nicely engaged in the service of the family, in the house, all affairs, but her mind is constantly thinking about the other man, and there is so much of happiness in her mind. Although this is a bad thing in this world, but just to understand this whole concept, he's giving this example. It's very easy to understand. So when there is Swakya Bhav, when there is like marriage is there, and then there is adhikar, so there is we have the right. So when right is there, then like if a disciple is also with guru for a long time, and the disciple may have manusya buddhi, like my guru is a human. So if we are too much close to someone, we may see fault in each other. This happens especially in Sakya, when there is a relationship, established relationship, like as per the rules and regulations. So, but in Parakya mode, it is not like that. So, how much, especially if something is difficult for us to achieve, our mind constantly thinks about that. We want to achieve that. Gopis and Krishna's meeting is also like that. It's not so easy. So, their love increases and increases. So the Vrikshalata in Braja, the trees and creepers, their love is called Vivekshana because they don't have much of consciousness. And then Vishrambha is the mode of the Sakhas and Sakhis, and Utkanthamai love is the love of the Braja Gopis. So this Utkantha means constantly that desire is there, constantly they have this eagerness is there. So Sri Jiva Goswami Pad has explained about this beautifully. This Utkanthamai Prem. This is what we desire for. But this is not possible in this world. This Utkanthamai Prem is not possible in this world. Not possible in between people here. So if we love another man other than our husband, or same thing goes for the man other than his wife, then this can take us to hellish. This is very bad thing in this material world. But when it comes to the Braja Gopis and their lover, which is Krishna himself, there it is a very pure thing. This verse from Chaitanya Charitamrita, it says, in Vaikuntha, Ajodhya, Dwaraka, then even in Golok, this Paramur mode is not there. I mean, this mode, the topmost love is not established here. So Golok is the boundary of Gokul. So there is more of Sakyata. More of Sakyata means Radha Krishna as married couple. So there, after there, it is more of they speak about the Milan, the meeting of Radha and Krishna. They don't show Vira, separation. One example is given, like if for some people marriage has not happened. Marriage has not happened, but let's say they are staying together. And they beget also a child, and after a long time they are considered as husband and wife, but actually in reality their marriage didn't happen. There are some couples like that. So but their marriage has not happened. Generally, in marriage, as Maharaj was telling before, when everything happens, all the rules are followed, then only it is marriage. Just by exchanging garland, marriage doesn't happen like the proper ritual. So there are different marriages. There is also Rakshas Vivah, Gandharva Vivah, exchanging garland, we already heard. Kidnapping is another one. Different marriages are there. So the Parakyata mode, the Paramur mode is the topmost, and Uddhavas and all the big devotees, so they are praying for this mode. So this Paramur mode is so special that even the topmost devotees are hankering for this. So in Rasa, the Braja Gopis are holding the lotus feet of Krishna upon their breast. So these are spoken in the Shastras. So this is not possible by Brahma or Shiva. So these are all prayers of Uddhav glorifying the Braja Gopis. In Rasa, the Gopis had the fortune that they are able to hold Krishna's lotus feet upon their breast, upon their chest. So, and why this? To get away their karma, and this is not ordinary thing.
जिसमें उद्धव की स्तुति भी आ रही है, जैसे अभी
So Uddhava's prayers are there in this, mentioned in this. This particular verse.
इस लोक में कथा जैसे अनंत भगवान कैसे कथा में जिसमें रुचि है,
Like if we do not have the ruchi, the interest, eagerness to hear the glories of Krishna, the glories of the pastimes of Krishna, there is even our life as Lord Brahma is useless. Premastri, Anishari, Vyavishari, Dusta. This is also spoken by Uddhava. So why Uddhava is saying? We already heard this from Sanjay Prabhu and Padmanabh Maharaj that the gopis and Vyavachari Dusta. Is it gopis Vyavachari Dusta? We already heard who is actually Vyavachari Dusta. So Parakya, if we have husband and we are attracted to another man, then it is called Parakya. So gopis, why this is mentioned? If there is no Parakya ras, there cannot be ras. There cannot be ras. In Swakya, if there is possible, if rasa is possible, then in Dwarika also rasa pastime would have happened, because there are 16,108 queens were there. Krishna would have played on his flute and rasa would have happened in Dwarika, but there was no rasa in Dwarika. So why this happen? Why rasa didn't happen in Dwarika? Because it is not possible in Swakya rasa, as husband and wife. Rasa is not possible. Rasa dance, this pastime is not possible. It is possible only in the Parakya rasa. In Srimad Bhagavatam, these verses are mentioned. When the gopis heard the flute sound of Krishna, then all the gopis were running towards direction. All the gopis were running towards Krishna, but they didn't see each other. Why? Because their chitta, their mind was completely attracted by Krishna. Govinda had attracted their mind completely. In Swakya, they all are staying together. Then there is no hindrance of their meeting. And in marriage, these all things are saying that what I have is yours, what you have is mine. So Maharaj is asking, are you married? Some people are answering, no. Anyways. So it is basically, he is trying to say it is not possible. It is not possible to have this mood, this pastime in Swakya mode when we are married. So Lord Ram pastime also, this Maryada was there. And then in Krishna as Lila Purushottam, he had this pastimes, and he had manifested more of Madhurya Lila. So after Ram Lila, Krishna Lila, he has shown Parakyatta in Madhurya Rasa, the Parakya mode. So some people say Parakya mood is there in this material world. I mean Krishna's pastime in this material world, but it is not there in the eternal world. But this is wrong. This is not correct, because Krishna appears in this material world with his dham, with his parikar associates. So in Chit Jagat, Parakyatta is there. So for Rasa Leela, this is required. The topmost Madhurya mode is Parakya. So without the Parakya bhav, the rasa, the mallows will not reach its topmost form. So who is not able to understand this mode and not able to attain this mode, their life is useless. So in this verse, Uddhava Kemastrio Banachari Vyavishari Dushta. In this Uddhava is saying that gopis are not Vyavachari. Who is Vyavachari? I am Vyavachari. I am unchaste. Because like this Krishna, I don't have the complete anurag, the 100% anurag, 100% love. So that's why I am Vyavachari, or Brahma is Vyavachari, or Shiva is Vyavachari. And gopis are ekanishta. Gopis are one-pointed. Except Krishna, there is nothing in their life. So only this Parakyata is present in gopis. Here Vyabhichar word is used. There are 33 types of bhav. All these 33 bhava, they will manifest the sthayi bhav. What we say prem? What is say prem? And to understand the mallows, this prem, there are 49 ingredients that we should know. It's a very tough concept. They're all written in Ujjwal Nilamani. So it's not easy for us to comprehend, just know as an information. So there is one sthayi bhav, the permanent mode. And the other one is, there are 60 types of, 7. One sthayi bhav and 7 gona bhav, and then there are 33 vyavachari bhavs. So total 49. So ras is not just like that, rasa will not get. So rasa is a mix of all these bhavas. Santa, Dasha, Sakya, Vachalya, Madhurya. Also, the object of this rasas are different. And what kind of ingredients will be there in each rasa? How much amount of ingredients will be mixed? So all these things are there. These all are mentioned in Ujjwal Nilamani. Very high concepts. There is one Bahir Ras, Maitra Ras, many different rasas are there. So Uddhav is saying that I am. Vayam means hum log. Vayam means as a plural form in Sanskrit. So me, Brahma, Shiva, we are Vyavachari, we are unchaste. Gopis are one pointed to Krishna. Their only mode is to love Krishna and do things favorable for Krishna. Do what is what Krishna loves. So if we ask the gopis, are you married or non-married? So gopis will say, we don't know. So because they don't have time to think about all this, they are only serving Krishna. They are only thinking about what will make Govinda happy, Krishna happy. How to make Govinda happy? We are Krishna's married wife or not married. All these things doesn't matter to them. Only thing that matters to them is the happiness of Govinda. But sometimes our Acharya says in Tika commentary that Leela Shakti is to manifest the Leela and then pastimes and then to expand the Madhurya Rasa. Sometimes the gopis are saying we are somebody else's wife. There is a kirtan in Bengali that it's a beautiful kirtan. It says about oh Krishna, you don't touch us because we are married to somebody else. So sometimes just to evolve the rasa, this kind of conversation happens. So gopis say like if some wind touch another man and touches between us, we have to take bath because we are somebody else's wife. So like this, actually just to enhance the mood, all this conversation of gopis with Krishna. These are written in the poems, in the kirtans of Sandidas and Vidyapati, the famous kirtaniyas. In Brahma Vimohan Leela, Purnamasi declared that whoever, all the girls of Vrindavan, Golok should get married. Even if some baby is there in the womb of mother, their marriage also should be announced. So in that Brahmohan Leela, in that year, in that 1 year, actually all the Gopas got married to the Gopis, but actually all were Krishna. So it externally it looks like the Gopis are married to somebody else, but the marriage happened with Krishna only, because Krishna had become the Gopas and Kaps that time. But Jiva Goswami Pad says that this is also called Satvik. So what is Satvik here? That their parents are thinking like a dream that my daughter is married to this person. So these gopis are very small. They don't even know how to wear clothes properly now because they're very small babies. How to even dress properly like a woman, they don't know. So they were told, oh, your marriage has happened, you go to the house of this person. So like before it was child marriage. So for them they don't even know what is marriage. Now also in India, Bihar or in Rajasthan, this is there. This child marriage is there. It's prohibited, but child marriage is there. Some people are doing it. So in in our Math, there was a Brahmachari, Krishna Chandra from Bihar. So he came to Math. He was a Brahmachari in our Math, and one day his wife came and said, I am your wife. Then he said, I don't even remember. So there was some child marriage done for him. He doesn't even remember that he was married. So Maharaj is giving this example just to make us understand the Braja Gopis. They didn't even realize that they got married to somebody else. What is that marriage? Doesn't make sense. They didn't know what is marriage. So this is called Sapnik, not Sapnik. It's like a dream. These marriages. Yogamaya says Yogamaya Devi says that whom they have considered as husband are not actually like their husband, and they are very small. So although this to show people externally this marriage pastime is done, but it's not to be considered. So Maharaj is elaborating on this. So after marriage, there is the meeting of husband and wife, but all these things never happened with them. Yogamaya made in such a way all arrangement that their husbands never came near to their wife. So their husbands were always engaged in other activities.
के साथ जो लौकिक व्यवहार आदि ये सब करने संभव भी नहीं।
They didn't have time to think about anything else. So like this, many vichar is there, just for us to comprehend that Sakya Bhav is actually not existing here. We consider Parakya Bhav, we consider Parakyatta, and Parakyatta is the supreme thing here. And that is the essence of Rasa Leela, Parakyatta Bhav. Without Parakya Bhav, there cannot be Ras. So here Parakya Bhav is established. Hare Krishna.
अम्मा जो है